Kakaasi ni grassroots. Sir Cory, ma'am. Hello. Good evening to you, Idol Cory. Good evening. Greetings from Abra, Philippines. Hi, Kabsat Grace. Kabsat Grace. Ito, bumabagyo ang ating lugar sa Abra. Ang lakas ng bagyo. Signal number 2. Kaya mahina ang wifi, kaya nakadata na lang ako. Ayan. Pero pupuntahan ko pa rin ang iyong mga channel, guys. Mega love shout out to all of you. Greetings from my grassroots here. Right, pinaulunan ko kanina kaya ganyan ang buhok niya. My grassroots is waving you. Good evening there. From Abra, Philippines to your place. Alright, thank you so much guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for the support. Ay, may dumaan dito. Bibigyan na kita ng moderator. Mega love shout out, Erin. Si Erin Life ito. Hi, Erin Life. Salamat sa pagdalaw, kaibigan. Airing Live, salamat sa pagtusok. Oo, signal number 2 ang Abra, Philippines. Magdamag, wala kaming ilaw kahapon, kagabi. Kaya guys, hindi ako nakapunta sa inyong mga live dahil wala kaming ilaw kagabi. Kanina lang nagkaroon. Airing Live, hello, Airing Live. Thank you so much for the tasak. Tusok, Kabsat. No classes, Kabsat. No classes, no work. All government and private offices, schools. Bukas extended na naman ang bakasyon nila pero kaming mga empleyado may pasok na.
Mabigat mo?
Oo, ang mga klase ng private and government schools in all levels have no classes for tomorrow, kaya magsayawan. Kami naman na magulang ay natutuwa din dahil no ligo, no baon. Alright, no ligo, no baon ang mga anak namin bukas. Pero kaming mga empleyado ay kailangan pumasok dahil kailangan talagang pumasok. Good evening to all of you. Ito na, magpe-play na ako sa inyo. Kabsat. Pangalaan di alumni ticket, Kabsat. Ay! Alumni ticket, inya nga batch ka, Kabsat, ibagak. Ibagak kini Ma'am Christy, so ti alumni coordinator. In-PM mo, Kabsat. 89. Sige, itad ko. Batch 89. Nilistak, Kabsat. Batch 89. Mano aya tiket, ti alaom may sa buklat kano kat sa nga gasot. Sige, sige, bagak to talaan to ni Jestoni. Ni Jestoni. Kabsat, Grace, eto na on the way to your mansion. Mansion ano yan, so your channel. Ito latest video ang ipi-play ko mga kapatid. Ito kay ano, Sis Grace. Si Sis Grace ay may bagong upload. Alright, 9 hours ago. Nag-upload si Kabsat Grace 9 hours ago. Amin-amin ta siya kagiwaras kabatch me. Alright. Oh, sige, sige. Bagak to. Si Kagandi tagiwaras. Uy, nagserte di batch 89 gem. Adadta ni Kabsat Grace. Pinay Hiker and Traveler. Mega love shout out sa lahat. Mega love shout out din sa iyo, Pinay Hiker and Traveler. Bibigyan kita ng jacket, kapatid. Ayan, may jacket ka na, kapatid Pinay. Bibisitahin ko ang iyong channel at magpe-play ako ng video mo. Alright, thank you so much. Antayin niyo na lang yung mga tamsak ko dyan, guys. Don't you worry, mahaba man ang harang nyo, ipo-full watch natin yan. May na-full watch din akong harang na 15 minutes, pero 3 minutes lang yung video. Meron din isang live na 54 minutes. 54 minutes ang harang. Naka-live, ni-reply ko yung live niya. Opo, opo, maraming salamat din po sa inyong pangapatamsak dyan. Salamat, salamat. Inuna ko na si Sis Grace. Nasa harang ako, Sis Grace. 3 minutes and 45 seconds ang unang harang mo, Kabsat Grace. Ayan, ito yung ka-upload mo lang na video. Kabsat Grace, playing. Nasa harang ako. Alright, sino pa ang nandyan kanina? Si Ering Live, si Sir Kurimao. Alright, si Sir Kurimao, si Ering Live, at saka si Pinay Hiker ang nakagsasalang ko ngayon. Alright, thank you so much. Diba ba si Iman lagi tayo? One Kabsat, welcome. Alright, si Sir Kurimao, ay nakaano siya, naka-live. Si Ering Live, Ering Live, andyan ka pa ba? On the way to your channel, my friend, Ering Live. Si Ering Live ito. May muning, katatapos lang siguro mag-live, ano, Ering Live. Ay, naka-live pa si Ering Live. Alright, Ering Live, pupunta sa'yo ang itong channel ko. No, bro. Escape. Next is si Pinay Hiker. Sis Pinay Hiker, on the way to your channel, Sis Pinay. Hi, Braveheart, kapatid, Kabsat Braveheart. Mega love shout out to you, my friend Braveheart. How are you today? Greetings all the way from Abra, Philippines to yours. Bumabagyo po sa amin dito, signal number 2 po kami. Alright, pero Thanks the Lord. Thanks God pa rin at umuulan lang, walang hangin, walang malakas na hangin kaya masaya pa rin kami. All right. Salamat sa patamsak. Braveheart and hello Kabsat Beth. Hello Kabsat Beth Madayag. Thank you so much. Si Kabsat Beth nagpunta sa aking premiere. Ito pa ang listahan. Piniplay ko ang 1 hour free play nyo. Lahat ng nagpunta sa aking premiere na 5 minutes premiere the other night. Si iConnect Insights and Beyond, Jinky Castillon, Akshaya Family, Beth Madayag, Miss Leslie Kamemo, Chon Adventures Vlog. Ayan, yung mga bisita ko noong 5-minute premiere ko the other night. May free 1 hour play kayo sa akin. Ayan, nakasalang. Inumpisan ko lang kanina kasi kagabi, brown out kami kaya hindi ako nakapag-play. Mahina. Alright, salamat po sa patamsak niyo dyan, Braveheart. On deck po kayo, Braveheart and Beth Madayag. Alright, si Pinay Hiker po ang magpipili muna ako ng kanyang video. Latest na lang, maski gaano kahaba guys, basta latest video ang una kong isasalang ngayon. Mahaba man, 1 hour man yan, okay lang, basta latest video. Dan, Grace LGTV, sa latest upload mo, alright. Kabsat Grace, connected na po sa'yo si kapatid Pinay Hiker. Via your latest upload. Si Pinay Hiker, si Kabsat Grace LDTV ay nandyan din sa ibang bansa, nasa Italia. Nasa Italia naman siya. Si Pinay, playing po your latest upload. Guys, latest upload ang una kong isasalang, maski gaano po kahaba yan. Ayan. Latest upload si Pinay yan. Kung walang video guys, pwede ko bang i-on ang iyong video kung walang music? Try natin kung walang music. Ayan guys, ang naririnig nyo ay boses po ni bakit boses ko ang naririnig ko? Boses po ni Sis Pinay Hiker. Hello, Kurimao, Idol Kuri. Ito si si Ma'am Pinay, Idol Kuri. Kasalukuyang nagla-live si Kurimao sa Arabia guys. Kasalukuyang nagla-live. Kung gusto niyo puntahan ang kanyang live stream, sige lang, wag lang kalimutang magbaka sa akin. Wag lang kalimutang magtamsak sa aking live stream bago kayo umalis. Si Kurimao sa Arabia guys, nagpapalipad yan, kaya suportahan niyo yan. Mabait yan si Sir Kuri. Ipin natin ang mag-iwan lang po ng bakas, sure, balik po. Alright, ganyan talaga si kapatid Beth. Pag nag-iwan kayo ng bakas, babalikan kayo niyan. Support ako ni Miss Jamie on the way po. Wag na po yan, Pinay Hiker, yan, support sa akin din yan, may angel yan. Bigay mo na lang yung support mo sa iba. Ayan, si Kurimao sa Arabia, tanggalin nyo lang yung tuldok sa dulo. Yun ang main channel niya. Nakasalukuyan naka-live siya guys, si Sir Kurimao. Mabait si Sir Kurimao. Unang-unang nagpadipad sa akin si Kurimao. Nung nakuha ko ang dollar sign, si Sir Kurimao ang unang nagpalipad sa akin. Kasi mabait yan. You're welcome, Sis Pinay. Kasalukuyan naka-play po ang iyong video. 11 minutes. Hiking in Goshen. Goshener Route. Ayun. Next is si kapatid. Hi, my gorgeous friend, Lucy Warren's World. Hello, Lucy. How are you, Lucy? Mega love shout out to you. Ayan, si Sir Curry mo, pakaway-kaway lang yan guys, pero nanalo yan sa loto. Ayan, Sir Curry, Idol Curry, binaking na kita. Ayan, totoo lang, mabait yan si Sir Curry. Hindi yan nagsasalita sa live niya, napapansin ko, pero maraming tao doon. Nakasalukuyan siya nagla-live guys, ewan ko kung patapos na, kasi umalis na ako doon. At trinay ko rin mag-live. On deck is, Pinay Braveheart, on the way to your channel, Pinay Braveheart. Si Kapatid Pinay, latest upload. Ayan. Ay, hindi ko pa ito napanood. Ito, latest upload sa Victory Day in honor of the veterans. Okay po, thanks. You're welcome, Sis Pinay. Yan, Sis Pinay, mabait yan si Corina. Braveheart, playing your latest, my friend. Alright. Next is Beth Madayag and Lucy. Guys, mabait din yan si Ma'am Beth sa nakapin. Ayan, sa kanya yan. Magbakas lang daw kayo at babalikan niya. Sis Beth, nasa harang mo po ako. Sis Beth, may harang ka po dito sa unang pasok ng iyong video, Ma'am Beth, may harang. Nasa harang po ako. Ang pinaka main channel ni Beth Madayag, ayan, Beth. Buuin nyo lang yung Madayag. Kapilido ko yan. Si Kapatid Beth. Alright, 45 minutes video ni Kapatid Beth ay piniplay ko. Ang 45 minutes video niya kasi yun ang latest video niya. Hello, kapatid, Larry Dumlao. Siguro si Tita Mel ito. Kabsat Mel, ikaw ba yan? Hello, good evening to you. Good evening. Mega love shout out to you. Larry Dumlao. Nakadikit dito. Kan, hindi pa'y kabsat. Alright, thank you so much, kabsat. Kabsat Melda, thank you so much. Ito na ang mga piniplay ko. Beth Madayag, Pinay Hiker, si Grace, ayan, tapos na si Grace, si Braveheart. Next is thank you sa jacket, you're welcome, Larry Dumlao. Lucy Warren's World, hi Lucy Warren's World. Do you have, Lucy has a new upload here. Morning Garden Cemetery Tour. Lucy, there are two sets of ads in your video, my friend Lucy. I'm playing it now. Ayan, salamat sa pakaway-kaway dyan. Idol Curry, salamat po. Magpe-play rin ako ng video mo, Idol. Walay daw talangkin. Maturog kay man langin. Putawan tibasa yun ang bigapin. 28 tamsak dito, kapatid Grace. Salamat po. You can connect with each other, guys. Si Sir Kurimao, si Idol Kurimao sa Arabia, guys. Katanggalin nyo lang yung tuldok sa dulo. Ay kasalukuyan naka-live stream. Kung gusto nyong puntahan, sige, pumunta lang kayo. Huwag lang kalimutan mag-thumbs up sa aking live stream bago umalis. Ipag-play ko pa rin kayo guys. Thank you so much. Kapatid Grace, tapos na po ang itong video mo. Ay, signal. Oo, dito din. Naka-data nga lang ako eh. Kasi pag wifi, nalalaglag ako. Data na lang ang gamit ko. Nag-load ako ng 149 pesos. Ayan, done na po ako dito guys. As kapatid Grace, Kabsat Grace, done na po ako dyan. Ang naririnig nyo guys, boses ni Sis Pinay Hiker. Si Sis Pinay Hiker, traveler siya. Matutuwa kayo guys sa kanyang mga videos kasi more on mga places ang pinupuntahan niya. Yan, si Pinay Hiker. Sis Pinay Hiker, one banana from the host. Sis Pinay. Boses po ito ni Sis Pinay Hiker. Thank you, Kabsat host. Welcome, Kabsat Grace. Magse-second round ako ng play. Ipasasalang ko din sa'yo. Tatapos, ubusin ko lang tong ipi-play sila. Hi, Tito Jun! Nakapag-apply ka na ba, Tito Jun, ng iyong application sa Google, sa AdSense? Good evening to you, Tito Jun. Malakas po bang ulan dyan sa Bangged? Dito po sa amin, katitigil lang. Napakalakas maghapon. Simula kahapon. May signal number 2. Signal number 2 pa rin po tayo, Tito Jun. Daan lang po. Alright, Tito Jun. Salamat po. Hello, host. Hello, Tito Jun. Mag-iingat po, Tito Jun. Malakas ang ulan.
Natumba aming alamukan.
Pag-ring. Okay, maturugin. Alright, Sis Pinay, one banana from the host. Ingat kayo dyan, madam. Opo, Sir Kurimaw, kaya hindi ako nakapag-live ng kahapon. Brown out. Okay lang po, dito lang naman kami sa loob ng bahay. Hindi naman binabaha dito sa Abra kasi wala kaming dagat, mataas kami sa ilog. Ang Abra kasi guys, bundok ito. Malayo naman kami sa paanan ng bundok, kaya sigurado wala naman magla-landslide. Sana yung mga sa ibang munisipyo ay ligtas din sila. Sis Pinay Hiker, one banana for you, bell all. Fully watch na po ako dito, including the ads, Sis Pinay. Alright, next is si Kurimaw. Ipi-play ko din yan, maski si Sir Kurimaw ay mayaman na. Mayaman sa pagmamahal si Sir Kurimaw. Maraming nagmamahal guys sa kanyang live si Sir Kurimaw. Hi, my friend Wong Mu, my nice friend Wong Mu in Indonesia. Good evening to you. Mega love shout out to you. All right. Sis Kabsat Bet, nakasalang yung 42 minutes mo, Kabsat. Mahaba-haba 'yun. All right, sino pa hindi ko na play? Si si Kabsat Melda. Bisitahin ko muna yung Braveheart. Nandito pa rin ako, kapatid. Lucy Warren's World playing your long ads, my friend Lucy. The ads in your video is still playing. Alright, next is Kurimaw. Si Idol Kuri is playing. Galing ako kanina sa live ni Sir Kuri. Madaming maski hindi nagsasalita sa live ni Idol Kurimaw, madaming pagmamahal sa kanya. Guys, naka-live pala siya ngayon, si Sir Kurimao sa Arabia. Kung gusto niyo siyang puntahan, go there guys kasi marami ding mga tao doon. Huwag lang kalimutan mag-thumbs up sa aking live stream. Alright, salamat po sa support host. You're always welcome, Pinay Hiker. May second batch ako ng ipi-play pa rin ko kayo, maski ipi-play ko pa rin kayo sa susunod ngayon. Isasalang ko lang lahat. Medyo nakikisama naman ngayon ang aking wifi. Pero yung gamit ko ngayon dyan sa nagla-live na cellphone ay data lang yan. Kasi alam ko hindi stable. Okay, latest video mo po, Sir Kurimao. Hindi ka nag-upload, Sir Kurimao? Hindi ka nag-upload ng iba. Playing pa rin po ito. Pero mahaba ang harang nito, Sir Kuri. Idol Kuri, mahaba-haba ang harang nito. Huwag mo, don't you worry my friend. I will pick a video. I will pick one of your videos and I'm gonna play. Alright, si Sir Kurimao, mayaman sa pagmamahal yan. I-play pa rin natin yan. Next is, sino pa hindi ko napuntahan? Central to Stanley road trip. 45 minutes pala yon video mo. Kabsat Beth, nakasalang pa rin yan. Braveheart, still playing yan. Lucy, still playing. Alright, may nag-drop kanina. Tito Jun, ipin natin ito. Alright, next is Tito Jun. Alright, Tito Jun on the way. Alright, premiere pala ito, Tito Jun. Tamsakan natin ang iyong premiere. Tuesday, premiere ni Tito Jun. Silent live stream. Tuesday. Wala na siguro tong bagyo sa Tuesday. Bukas. Pero whole day pa rin bukas. Wala pa rin pasok ng mga bata. Alright, natamsakan ko na. Maturog ka kanun. Kajayon.
Like this video.
Kajayon. Makaini ko ba ka damdam masuspenda kito. Na, kajayon.
Last team.
Alright, nakapagtamsak na ako, Tito Jun. Next is Ma'am Melda. Tita Mel. Kabsat Melda on the way. I-highlight ko nga. May pang-premiere ako.
Maturog tong level na.
Tita Mel, Amelda, Kabsat, Tita Melda, on the way. Imelda Dumlao. Yan si Kabsat, Imelda Dumlao din. Ay, mabait din yan. Masipag mag-play. Yan si Imelda Dumlao. Kung gusto niyo po mag-play, ayan si Imelda Dumlao. Napakasipag mag-play. Hi, Tita Itnogak Mix TV. Hello. Good evening to you, Tita. Kamusta po dyan? Wong mo on the way, Wong mo. Kuya Tito Jun MTV, mega mag-love shout out from Wong mo. Oh, mabait din yan si Wong mo. Taga Indonesia si Wong mo, guys. Napakabait niyan. The good guy in Indonesia is Wong mo. But the main channel of Wong mo is Wong Lakrak. Alright, Wong Lakrak. Para bang umiinom ng alak. Lakrak. Laklak. Pero lakrak. Lakrak talaga. Alright, Tita Melda. Kabsat Melda. 15 minutes video. Pero mahaba ang harang sa unang pasok ng iyong video. Tapusin natin yan. Playing. Itong bakit sobrang mahal. Ay, bakit sobrang mahalaga. Ay, wrong. Bakit sobrang mahalaga ang pamilya? Buhay OFW, oo naman. Napakahalaga talaga ang buhay ng isang pamilya. ang isang pamilya dahil kagaya namin, wala na, LDR na kami ni Mister kasi inuna niya ang pamilya bago ako. Umalis na. Nandyan na rin sa bagong bayani na rin siya. Nag-resign sa government at pumunta sa ibang bansa din. Wong mo, you're next. Wong mo, I will select one of your video. Ganun talaga ang buhay, guys. Mahirap kasi sa Pilipinas eh. Pag nasa Pilipinas ka, guys, taga London ka. Alam niyo po ba kung ano ang London? Pag sinasabing, pag nandito ka sa Pilipinas, sinasabing, taga London ako, London yan. Ibig sabihin, maraming loans. Loan dito, loan doon, loan dyan, kaya London yan. Ganon kami dito, ang sweldo namin, kung gusto namin mag-invest, nilo-loan namin. Kaya napagod na ang husband ko sa pag-loan doon yan. Kaya ibang bansa na lang siya. Hi, Sis Gina! Mega love shout out to you, Sis Gina. I will play also your video. Alright, next is Wong Mo. Alright, Wong Mo, you're next. Wong mo is Wong Lakrak. Guys, kumaway lang dyan yung hindi ko nabanggit na nakasalang. Latest video, Wong mo, your sorotan. Your sorotan, Wong mo, your highlight is still is being played. Habang nanunukli, dito lang sis, habang nanunukli. Alright, salamat naman sis Gina. Magpe-play ako sa iyo sis Gina. Wong mo playing your sorotan, my friend. Sorotan in Indonesia is highlight. As per Wong mo. Alright, Wong mo, I learned something from you. Sorotan is highlight. Ala, kapay manin nga, idupandak ko silawon, kay kading maturugan. Tita Itnogak Mix TV next. Tita Itnogak Mix TV. Si Tita Itnogak Mix TV. Mix TV talaga ito kasi parang DJ si Tita. Okay, pariringgan natin. Tita, pwede ko bang i-on ang iyong video? Kaso may harang pa. Ay, Tita, mahaba ang harang ng video mo. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Pero yung video mo, wala pa yatang 5 minutes yon. Tita Itnogak. Yung video mo, 49 minutes and 29 seconds. Mas mahaba ang harang mo kaysa sa video. Alright, antayin natin yan. Natatakot ako guys, i-on ito pag naka-ads. Pero maganda ang video ni ni Itnogak, ni Tita Itnogak kasi remix yan ng pang Abra. Alright. Ay, bakit i-skip ko? Hayaan mo na lang siya. Sayang naman yun. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Wong mo. Ito, Sis Gina. Okay, Sis Gina on the way. One banana from the host, Sis Gina. Yung latest mo, sinigang na manok. Alright, napanood na to ko na ito ng isang beses pero ibang channel ang nanood. Sinigang. May harang din, Sis Gina. 3 minutes and 32 seconds sa unang harang. Okay, one banana from the host. Hayaan mo mag-play ng Tita. Pag alam ko kasing monetize channel, maski mahaba ang harang, may pinlay rin ako ng monetize channel, live stream naman. Nag-replay ako kasi nagsukli. 54 minutes ang kanyang harang. Hello, Kabsat! Moment Cooking Vlog. Kamusta po dyan, Kabsat? Dito'y Norte, Kabsat. Binabagyo tayo. Binabayo tayo ng bagyo. Signal number 2 tayo, Kabsat, dito. Katitigil lang ng ulan. 2 days nang umuulan eh. On the way, Kabsat.
How can we trade? What's your idea?
Wong Lakrak, done watching your video. Alright, Wong Lakrak. Our friend here, Pinay Hiker and Traveler, has already connected to you. She watched your video, Wong Lakrak, my friend. Please connect back to our friend, Pinay Hiker and Traveler. Alright, thank you so much, Wong. Thank you so much. Moment. Playing your latest video, age is just a number. Love is never too late. In love si kapatid, si Kabsata. Age is just a number. Love is never too late. Birthdays is special. Friends is important. Okay. Oo naman, dapat life, appreciate natin ang life as well as love. Ayan. Pinay Hiker and Traveler done from my friend Wong Lakrak. Mabait din yan si Wong Mu, guys. Pag nakikita kayong nagla-live, sumusupport din siya. Naisalang ko naman na lahat. Alright, banggitin ko. Then, Distance Remix, Someone Like You. Nasa harang pa rin ako. 3 minutes and 54 seconds pa ang bubuin ko sa harang. Kay Tita Itnogak Mix TV. High Tech Laundry, kay Idol Kurimao. High Tech Laundry, kay Idol Kurimao. Moment. Age is just a number. Still playing. How to cook sinigang. Nasa harang pa rin ako. How to cook sinigang. 3 minutes and 45 seconds ang kanyang harang. Nakaharang pa rin ako, Sis Gina. Alright, Wong Mo. Still in your sorotan. Your highlight, my friend.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Alright, next is Imelda Dumblao. Bakit sobrang mahalaga ang pamilya? Oo naman, napakahalaga. Central, kay kapatid, Kabsat Bet. Alright, nagharang dito, Central to Stanley Road Trip. Nagharang siya, Sis Bet, 2 minutes and 20 seconds dito sa 45 minutes video mo. Alright, it's just a number. Sorotan. Alright, dito naman sa kabila.
You can buy some more stuff.
Morning Gardens, my friend Lucy Warren's Morning Gardens still playing. Alright. Next. Si Pinay Hiker. I will go to your second video, Pinay Hiker. Mabilis na tapos ang kanyang video, guys. Pinay Hiker. Pinay Hiker, second video, my friend. Pinay Hiker. Katatapos lang ng ulan, napaka ano na siya. Biglang tumahimik ang paligid. 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Pinay Hiker playing.
Oh, yeah.
Your Utrecht City walking tour. Wong mo still playing your. Thank you so much, Wong, for tuning in. Alright. Second video for Pinay Hiker. Video, di ko snack lang, kabsat. Okay, kabsat moment. Don't you worry, naka-play pa rin itong video mo. Sipag pa more, kabsat. Dapat lang pagsipagan ko ang watch hour ko. Kasi nakita ko kanina, 3,165 na ang watch hour ko. 3,165. Alright. Meron pa akong bubuin na 800 plus. Diba? Salamat po. You're always welcome, Pinay Hiker. Hindi nga kulang nga lang na aabutan ang iyong live sis Pinay. Pero pag naabutan ko, sigurado yan magtutusok ako. Inaantay ko kasi ang tawag ni Mister kasi ang break nila sa kanyang lugar ay 12 midnight dito, 6 o'clock naman nila ng hapon. Maghahapunan na sila ng 6 o'clock. Pag naghapunan yun, tumatawag kasi. Siyempre, kailangan ko din suportahan para hindi ma-homesick. Nakaka-homesick daw eh. Kasi after 8 years. After 8 years, saka lang bumalik ulit. Kasi hindi ko siya pinayagan noon kasi nanganak ako ng pangatlong baby namin. Hindi ko siya pinayagan bumalik. Ayan, pumasok siya sa government, sa national government. Kaso, after 8 years, nagsawa na siya. Ayan, bumalik na siya sa pinanggalingan niya. You're always welcome, my friends, my 7 million friends na nandyan. You're always welcome. Ito, ano natin, Wong Laklak playing. Medyo mahabagal kasi ang net ko eh. Okay, Central Road Trip, naka-play pa rin. Bakit mahalaga ang pamilya? Naka 2 minutes ang kanyang harang. Sis Lucy still playing yung 14 minutes video. Your ads have done, yes. Dito. Natapos ng ads, nasa main video na ako, my friend Lucy. High-tech, fully watch na tayo dito kay Sir Kurimao.
Coming.
Alright.
I'm gonna buy something here, bro. I'm gonna buy something.
Thank you so much. Sis Gina. Ay, si Sis Gina, parang hindi ko pa, may nabanggit na ba ako? Ay, oo, meron Sis Gina, yung sinigang mo na manok. Sa'yo yon, Sis Gina.
Bro.
Sinigang na
Bro, be
chicken.
here.
Oh, masarap din isigang. Ayan, nautukok sinigang na manok. Ginagawa namin Sis Gina sa sinigang na manok, yung fresh na sampalok. yung bunga ng sampalok, yun ang pinanglalagyan namin ng pampaasim. Sa Tagalog, sinampalok ang manok. Pero masarap yun. Maski kangkong lang yung yung isasahog mo dun. So, Rotan still playing, my friend Wong.
Yep, there's a basic girl here. Oh,
Alright, full watch kay Sir Kurimao.
triple chance. Go here now, bro. Oh.
Tignan natin yung kay kapatid Itnagak. Tita Itnagak is still playing. Mahaba-habang video nito. Kasi minsan guys, yung mga piniplay, inuon ko yung yung wala siyang, yung naka-voice over lang siya. Braveheart, meron din siyang music.
I bet.
Morning Gardens.
This you got some.
Another harang, my friend Lucy, 3 minutes and 39 seconds ang second harang mo.
That's a boost stop. That's you grind faster and then.
Mahaba-haba ang harang.
No, don't you dare. I got to reduce sound.
Alright,
and
guys.
I don't wanna waste it.
Hi, Mrs.
Gives you taste
Ano bang hindi ko mabasa? Tingnan dali.
You dare then try to put another one.
Mrs. what Matilwana. Mrs. Matilwana, hi friend. Nakilala ko nito kay Akshaya kanina. I will give you a moderator, my friend, so you can connect with them. Hello, my friend Ari. Greetings from Indonesia. Hi, Ari. I have a second friend from Indonesia here.
I don't know how to play.
Ari, in the name of Ari. Bakit hindi ko makita ang iyong name
I'm not
dito?
closer to that crap. How you to trade? I'm supposed to trade you, but
Ayan. Ari. Good evening to you, my friend Ari. I have very good friends here. You may connect with them. They are Gina, Sis Gina, Imelda Dumlao. These are very good friends from the Philippines, but they are working outside the Philippines. Imelda Dumlao, Sis Gina, Pinay Hiker and Traveler, Wong Mu, Moment Cooking Vlog. You may connect with them, my friend.
so much items.
Itnogak Mix TV, Titi June MTV, Kurimao sa Arabia, Beth Madayag, Lucy Warren's World. They are my regular friends here, my friend Ari. You can connect with them. If you are looking for more subscribers and watch hour, they are like a support system. They can help with you. They can help you with your subscribers and watch hour. There, Kurimao in Arabia. Kurimao sa Arabia, guys. Kurimao sa Arabia is currently on live stream. You can go and attend Kurimao sa Arabia's live stream, but just don't forget to thumbs up my live stream before you leave. All right. Hi, Kanjam Cooks. This is my friend in Canada. Hello, my friend Kanjam Cooks. Do you have a new upload, my friend? You can drop the link. All right. I have so many friends here from all over the world. All right. Ari, this is Kanjam Cooks, my friend in Canada. You can connect with my friend Kanjam Cooks. All right. Thank you so much. Ano ba ang greeting ng Indonesia? Wong Mu, may I know what is your hello in Indonesia? Wong Mu? Alright, thank you so much, Ari, for the 11 thumbs up, my friend. Thank you. Hello to you, Ari, from my grassroots here. This is true grassroots. I bought it. My son bought it in Shopee. When he bought it in Shopee, there is no grass on top yet. This is the root. This is just the root. Then after 5 days here, meron na siyang buhok, just like hairlines. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see how's the status of your video that I am playing. Ari, while I'm playing your video, Ari, you can connect with them. They are good friends.
Wait, let me know.
I am recommending them all to you to get to be your friends too.
Let's go to the teleport to wait.
Naghang ang isang laptop. Ari Sumenet has 2.16 thousand subscribers and 414 videos. Alright, amazing. Ari, I'm in your latest video here. Kebakaran di Desa Ganjing Kabupaten Sumenet. Alright, this is the one I am playing.
No, what wait, me? Wait, let me put the book. Speed level.
That's the one I'm playing, my friend Ari. Hi, my friend Arcely Vlog. Ito ng mga bigating mga YouTubers, guys. Ayan, Hari, dikitan mo na sila lahat.
Oh, grind, bro.
Hari, mega love shout out. Sis Arcely Vlog. Ano pa? Dazzle Vlog, hi! Dazzle Vlog. Welcome to my live stream, my Dazzle Vlog friend. Mega love shout out to you. Hi, Princess Yumul. Si Aling Baby Channel. Alright, si Aling Baby Channel, guys. Ano to, hindi siya nakikipag-connect. Nagda-drop lang siya ng link. Pero thank you pa rin sa'yo, Aling Baby. Mamaya, ipipin natin yan. Guys, may nakapin dyan na premiere. Very supportive din yan ang may-ari. Si Tito June MTV. Kababayan ko siya dito sa Abra. Isa din siya sa Binabagyo. Binabagyo. Taga-capital siya. Dito naman ako sa ibang municipality. Pero si Tito June MTV, taga dyan siya sa sentro. Salamat po ho sa damit, Sisikoy. You're always welcome, Sisikoy Arcely. Thank you so much. Alright, let's see what happened to your video. Still in the Harang, Central to Stanley Road trip kay Beth Madayag. 45 minutes kasi ito, kaya mahaba talaga yan. Ari, I'm still in your video, my friend. Pinay Hiker, second video still playing. At 5% done to your video. Moment. Ayan, si Moment ay nagsasalita siya. 12 minutes. Gina, sis Gina. Mahaba-haba ang harang ni sis Gina. Sorotan, my friend mo. 10% done to your video. Sorotan. Itnagak Mix TV. Alright. Nasa harang pa rin. Mahaba-haba kasi ang harang ni sister. Lucy Warren's World. Still in your harang. Victory! Ayan, almost done. Kiangan Ifugao pala si Braveheart. Si Braveheart, mga kaibigan, ay taga Kiangan Ifugao. Cordillera Administrative Region din siya. Kaparehas ko. Thank you so much sa anim na nanonood dyan. Thank you so much. Don't you worry guys. Salamat sa patamsak nyo dyan. Mapapanood ko tong video nyo. Lahat ng isinalang ko dyan ay panunuorin natin. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Wong mo, don't you worry, Wong mo. Still viewing your video here. The Sorotan. Your latest upload, my friend, Sorotan. Uploaded just 12 hours ago. Ayan, boses ni ano to, si boses ni Moment Cooking. Pinay, a Moment Cooking. Alright, Arcely Vlog. Okay, let's go to Arcely Vlog. And then Dazzle Vlog.
Yes, go.
Arceli Vlog, 1 banana from me. Isang banana pero hinog. Kapatid, travel go Tongchung. Tongchung. Playing the harang, my sis Arceli playing the harang. Umit nga natin, nakakarindi naman tong. Hello, Sis Pinay Hiker. Salamat naman sa palipad mo dyan, Sis Pinay. Yan ko pala ang feeling ng napapaliparan. May third palipad na yan sa akin. Maraming salamat, Sis Pinay Hiker and travelers. Thank you so much, my friend. Don't you worry, papanoorin natin lahat ng mga video niyo. Habang ako ay nag-aantay ng tawag ng aking mahal na asawa. Ayan, nasa ano pa rin tayo, Sis Pinay. Nasa walking tour pa rin tayo.
Wow, yung papa.
Huwag nyo nang antayin si Papa, matagal pa. 1 oras pa. Bukas na lang kayo, matulog na.
Oh, what? 12, 25,
No, 11 na.
and 11.
Salamat Sis Pinay. Ito, magpi-play sa iyo to. Sa anak ko to eh. Kaka-surrender niya kasi matutulog na siya.
5 minutes Sunday.
Maghanap ako ng mahaba. Ito, 10 minutes. Oh, nakaharang siya, Sis Pinay. 1 banana from me. Isang magsisob ito. 10 minutes. Heidelberg Castle. Ay, wow! Castle. Nasa castle tayo. Ayan. Sis Pinay. Tapos itong isa, matatapos pa lang. 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Yung iba naman.
You will get everything.
Ayan, si kapatid, si Kabsat Moment Cooking. Nanlibre yata si Kabsat Moment Cooking. Ay, parang birthday mo, no, Kabsat? Happy birthday, belated.
Not your text. Means you must buy a lot of eggs.
Nang Salome. Alright, Nang Salome. Happy birthday. Dito, oh. Ang ganda-ganda ng birthday dinner. Birthday, ano ba to, dinner? Go to sleep na. Stay happy. Kabsat. Mas malayo sa pamilya. Stay happy pa rin.
1 minute left.
Ma, 1 minute left.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. Go to bed. Barikusan kayo na.
Marigos ang takong ko na.
Tagari ka man ta. Di ka bumbong yang man. Siyak tagpatpatan. Ayan. Binibati nila si Moment. Tignan natin si... Ito, mga kapatid, gusto yung mag-remix. Ito, si Kabsat, si Tita Isnaga, kaso mahaba pa rin ang harang. Nagpapaharang si Bergran. Sige, host, put out muna ako. Magluto na. Sige, Kabsat. God bless, Kabsat. Thank you sa blessing mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, Sirs Den. Bullseye! Ay, bakit kaya? Sino ba binubullseye niya ito? Bibigyan kita ng moderator. I will give you a moderator, my friend. Sir Dance. Sir Dance. Parang, di ba ikaw si Ebong? Sir Dance? O, mag-shoutout ka naman dyan kung ikaw kaso si Sir Ebong naka-livestream. Akshaya family, hi! My friend in India, hello! Akshaya family, good evening to you. I was in your live stream earlier. Okay, you go to bed. Thank you so much for surrendering your phone. Okay, sakti nanang yo pag sa wanda ko.
Pupuyat ka nga.
Pupuyat ka tap na mamonetize akon.
Naman ka.
Friend, I ever cooking dinner, so I'm late. How was your recipe, my friend? I'm very much sure your dinner is sumptuous, delicious. Hi, Dazzle Vlog. Ay, oo nga, Dazzle Vlog. I will go to your channel, Dazzle Vlog. Don't you worry, my friend, Dazzle Vlog. Here come Dazzle Vlog, Dazzle Vlog. Pag tagari kayo manin, sumanao kayo, sumanauwa mo. Dazzle Vlog. Ba't iba naman ang nandito? Ganun ang... Is this yours, Dazzle Vlog? Is that you? Kabsat Melda, naka-play pa rin po yung sa'yo. Is this you, Dazzle Vlog? Yeah, I know you're waiting. I'm sorry. Alright, Dazzle Vlog, playing Dazzle Vlog. Sorry, I overlooked. I overlooked my friend. Here. Aksaya, my friend, Aksaya. I will play in this, wait, my friend, I will play your video here. My other laptop here is... Sorry, my friend, I will play your video here. The other laptop needs to, just click and click so it will not put on sleep.
Natagutol na.
Hi, Ate Ann, Bicolana. May love shoutout to you. Sis, bibigyan kita ng moderator. Ayan. I have a friend here, Akshaya family. This is my new friend here, Ate Ann.
Ito mo silaw.
Ate Ann, Bicolana. Ate Ann Bicolana is my new friend, Akshaya. You can connect with her. She is very nice friend. I met her a while back in Idol Curimaw sa Arabia. Yeah. BG lang host, makaturugan na ko. Wan, kabsat ala, rabiin, maturog ka na, dapay work mo no bigat, kabsat Melda. Tatapusin ko yon yung sinalang ko sa'yo, yung latest mo. Maturog kang kabsat, 11:25 in the evening na here in the Philippines, time check. You can go and rest already. Yes. Okay, friend, surely I connect her. All right. Ayan. Sis Ate Ann Bicolana. Ayan, si Akshaya family from India. Mabait yan. Very supportive. Magko-connect daw po sa'yo. Salamat po. Nagpapaantok po. Alright. Mapapaantok ka talaga dito sa aking live stream. Ayan. Don't forget to connect lang kay Akshaya family. Kapatid Ate Ann. Kasi mabait yan. Mabait yan si Akshaya. Okay po, I will connect back. All right, Aksaya. My friend Ate Ann Bicolana will connect back to you. Don't you worry. All right, just leave a message or a comment in her video and Ate Ann Bicolana will surely connect back to you. All right, Aksaya. Thank you so much, my friends. Wong, I'm still in your video because of the long ads, Wong. Your sorotan has so many ads. All right, my friend Wong. How to cook sinigang na manok. May another harang siya. 3 minutes and 45.
Balon nun ma.
We will buy
Tea.
food. We will buy food tomorrow. Moment. Done with your video. 1 banana from the host. Moment. Cooking kabsat. Maturog man lang. Manggulgulo kay pay mo.
Hindi naman silaw kami yun din.
Magariag lahalay.
No.
Dadal po ni Daham.
Good night, kabsat. 1 kabsat. Ada kaharang pay gamin yung video mo. Sige, kabsat. Pahinga kayon. Kat rurayek pa lang jay husband ko. Alas 12 nga minti tawag na dito. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, this is grassroots.
Tag na pardi.
Sorry.
No.
Dan, Pinay hiker dan. 122nd thumbs up.
Dapat piloto cowok na tidod.
Alright, done na po. Bakit naglo-loading na ako? Ano naman? Bell all, Pinay hiker. Next is Aksaya. Wong mo. May I see your sorotan. The ad still playing, Wong mo. Another ads here. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Aksaya family, I'm in your channel, my friend. Aksaya family. 1 One pot rice, playing Akshaya. Shout out everyone from Akshaya family. Dazzle Vlog, second video for you, my friend. Dazzle Vlog, second video. Dazzle Vlog, done with the first video there. Second video, my friend, Dazzle Vlog. There are ads, Dazzle Vlog, in your video.
Kasi tumawin ba ako?
Thank you so much, Dazzle Vlog. Wong mo, done with your video. Ate Ann, you're on deck, Ate Ann. Next ka na po. Wong mo, fully watch your video, my friend, including the multiple ads. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, Wong mo, fully watch plus the ads. Wong mo. Next is Ate Ann Bicolana, my friend Ate Ann. Your latest, Ate Ann. Another matitibayon na dancers. Ayan. May harang na agad. Sis Ann, may harang. Ate Ann, may harang na agad. Mute muna natin ano ang background ko. Okay, I having a dinner, friend. All right, just enjoy your dinner first, my friend Aksaya. All right, go and enjoy first your dinner. All right. All right, Ate Ann, playing your video there, playing your video here. And then, first part of your video has a harang. All right, thank you so much. Dazzle Vlog, are you still there, Dazzle Vlog? Uh, 34 thumbs up, 34 thumbs up from me. Thank you so much again, guys. Thank you po, all right. You're welcome, Ate Ann.
Yes, sir. I am Kilowi.
Oh, may harang pa. Nandito na. Sa main video mo, Ate Ann. Kabsat Bet, nasa central pa rin tayo. 45 minutes mo. Kabsat Melda, nandito. Bakit mahalaga ang pamilya? Nakaharang pa rin, Kabsat. 2 of 2 harang na 2 minutes. Another harang yun. Matulog ka na, Kabsat Melda Dumlaw. Gabi na, oh. May paawaga ka pa bukas. Matulog ka na. Dito lang ako magpi-play habang nag-aantay ng tawag. Alright. Thank you so much, guys.
Excuses.
Napakaingay naman ang Wong Mo, my friend Wong Mo. Done with your video including the ads. Second video for you, Wong Mo. Wong Mo, Wong Lakra. Wong Mo, second video. First part of your video has 3 minutes and 45 seconds ad. 3 minutes and 45 seconds ads, Wong Mo. On your video, second video. Aksaya, may I see your video here? Alright, fully watch, Aksaya. And I will pick another one after this one.
Meow. Oh, what's that, Ma? Ma.
Alright, Wong Mo, there are ads in your first part of your second video. Alright, next is Aksaya. Aksaya, third thumbs up from me for your second video. Alright, third video for Aksaya. Guys, mga short video lang kasi itong mga sa kanila. Short video, kaya mabilis lang. Aksaya, playing your latest upload by this new channel. Alright, third video for Aksaya. Wong Mo, second video, still playing the ad. This is the remix of Tita Itnogak Mix TV. Oh, shut up na.
No, your leg.
Yeah, this is the remix of Tita Itnogak Mix TV. Ate Ann, Bicolana, Ate Ann, done with your video, my friend. Yan, ang remix niya.
Ikaw ay nakikinig sa magagandang remix ni Itlog Mix TV from Abra Idol.
Minute exactly 30 seconds to go to the top. Oh, 30 seconds lang. 30 seconds lang. Ako.
Agan ano kay ayam ang mangig kayo dito.
You are listening to the beat, the music of Itlog Mix TV from Abra, the past. Cristiano, yes, remix ni Itlog Mix TV from Abra.
Huwag mo, your video is still playing. There are long ads. Huwag mo. Hi, Corimao sa Arabia. Idol Kuri. Natapos ko ang video mo, Idol. Ay, Aksaya family, Dan. Magpi-play pa rin ako, Idol Kuri. Don't you worry. First time sa... Maingay kasi ang mga adunakis. Sandali. Naka-onde ka na. Arvin? Idol ko rin now. I'm in your channel. Second video. Idol. Second video, idol ko rin, ma'am. One more still playing your video, my friend.
You're listening to the beat, the music. Ito the Mix TV from Abra, the best.
Yes, sir, I'm good. Yes, thank you so much, Womo. Goodbye, my friend. I'm going to finish your video, all right? Don't you worry. Thank you so much for dropping by, my friend. Goodbye. Have a very nice good night to you. All right, thank you so much. You're always welcome, my friend Wong Mo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Third video for you, my friend Kurimao Idol. Third video na ito. Salamat. My friend Akshayo family, don't you worry my friend, playing your video still. I think fourth video there. And so, kayo din po, Idol Kurimao, naka-play po ito. Ito yung sa yung cellphone. Sa yung cellphone yan. Naka-play. Ito naman, Aksaya, I change the channel to play your video. So, I can replay and replay. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Third video for my friend Itnogak Mix TV. Alright, thank you so much, Aksaya family, Idol Kuri. Thank you so much. Ito, matatapos na.
Mix TV from Abra, the best. Makisayaw, makiyataw sa mga remix ni Itnogak Mix TV from Abra, Idol.
Fourth video, my friend, Idol Kurimao, fourth video. There is harang, my friend. That is for Kurimao.
You're listening to the beat, the music of Itnogak Mix TV from Abra.
Kuminom man, hay. Kuminom.
Makisayaw, makiyataw sa mga remix ni
Ika,
Itnogak Mix TV
uminom ka.
Abra, Idol. This is Itnogak Mix TV
May sakamot na baritos ka na po.
The Mix.
Thank you so much, Aksaya. I'm playing your video. Sunday special chicken. All right. Idol Cory, nasa harang ako ng video mo, Idol. Ang kama ng minom na ko.
You're listening to The Beat, the music of Itnogak Mix TV from Abra, the best. Makisayaw, makiyataw sa mga remix ni Itnogak Mix TV from Abra, Idol.
What else?
You're listening to The Beat, the music of Itnogak Mix TV from Abra, the best. Makisayaw, makiyataw sa mga remix ni Itnogak Mix TV from Abra, Idol.
Alam.
You're listening to the beat, the music, into the Mix TV from Abra, the best.
Sa mga dum-dum-dum beta, yukun.
This is Itnugak Mix TV from Abra on the
Hala. Kabsat! Mel, di ka pa rin makatutulog. May, alas 12 na. Hala. Akshaya, fully watch my friend. Shout out everyone, friends. Alright, Akshaya, fully watch. Another video for you. Okay. Another video for you, my friend Akshaya. Thank you so much. Hello? Yung cellphone ang haguyuyot. Panagkagod naman. Your video, say another video for you, Aksaya. 2 videos are playing at the same time, my friend. I just put this on mute because of the noisy background. All right. Another video for you, my friend, Akshaya. This is one. Thank you so much. Fully watch, my friend. All right, another video for you because I'm about to end my live. This one, agricultural land. Alright. Good night, kabsat. Nalpas ko di video mon. Ado ti ads na. Talaga nga nagmayat man kay reviewm ken ni Apulakay nga iniwan dati pamilyana. Alright, apno makamot kabsat a second video. Ay play ko kanyam. Basta maturog kanwan. Sige, sige. Good night. Aksaya family, thank you for tuning in. I done with your video, my friend. You can also sleep already, my friend. Aksaya, I will go to bed after 10 minutes. All right, Aksaya, thank you so much. Good night to all of you. Thank you, my friend, for tuning in. I wish to God that your family will be blessed more. Kastabat kanyam, kabsat Melda, pagpalain ka po ng Panginoon. Alright, thank you so much. Goodbye to all of you. Hi, my friend Zen Gamer here. Zen Gamer, I'm about to end my live, but don't you worry, my friend. I will play a video for you. Alright, I will play one of your video, my friend. Alright, Zen Gamer. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, Zen Gamer. Alright, thank you so much. I will just put this on mute, my friend Zen Gamer. I will give you a moderator, my friend Zen Gamer. Alright. Ay. Alright, you have already a moderator, my friend. Thank you so much, Zen Gamer. I will pick one of your videos and I will be played. Alright, I will be playing it. Alright, thank you so much. Zen Gamer, may I know your main channel, my friend? Because when I visited your channel, you only have one video. May I know your main channel? Thank you so much. Aksaya family, I will finish your video there being played. All right, thank you. Zen Gamer, may I know please your main channel if you wish to reveal? Thank you so much. Ayan na. Good night everyone. Thank you so much. Nag-enjoy po ako sa pag-play ng inyong mga videos. Ayan, nakausap ko na ang husband ko. Ganito talaga pag LDR. Thank you so much mga kaibigan dyan. Sis Gina na hindi ka pa natutulog. Akshaya family, thank you so much. Good night everyone. God bless you all. God bless us all. Thank you very much again. With my grassroots. Ayan, nandito si grassroots ko. Thank you very much. Okay, good night everyone. Bye-bye.